Now today I want to talk about the Royal Mint and why they have stopped selling their silver bars. Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Today I wanted to come outside because I thought, you know what, I'm going to break the mould and change the setup view for once. Now today I want to talk about the Royal Mint and why they have stopped selling their silver bars. Now the Royal Mint have stopped selling their silver bars. As of recently, I had noticed on their website when I was looking for more 1 ounce Una and the Lion silver bars that there was no longer any silver bars anywhere to be found. And I thought that was strange because such a big reputable company, you know, obviously it's a government refinery, the Royal Mint. I thought, why is there no more of those silver bars? And funnily enough, one of my subscribers actually left me a couple of comments on some of my recent videos, and he said that he contacted the Royal Mint and he had asked them about why they've got no silver bars in stock. And they basically come back and said, yep, we're no longer stock silver bars, it's not something we particularly want to produce anymore, and so they're no longer in stock, apologies for that. And I thought, that's crazy. Now I know silver has you have to pay VAT on silver, and there is high premiums when it comes to buying silver, probably more so with bars than coins as well. So I can assume the reason that they've stopped selling or producing silver bars is because maybe they'd noticed the drop in sales. Maybe people like myself had realised the benefits of going for Britannia coins, being that they're capital gains tax exempt, over silver bars and gold bars. So I'm sure that must be a factor as to why they've stopped producing the silver bars. But nonetheless, I would still buy silver bars if they had them listed. Exactly, hence the reason I was looking to buy some more Una and the Lion 1 ounce silver bars. So yeah, I find it strange that although they stop production, that they don't look at it as still a potential opportunity to have profit for their business as a company. Because at the end of the day, although it's a government refinery, you could still essentially say it's a company, can't you? Because it needs to make profit and needs to make sales. So yeah, if you want silver bars like this now, especially this Una and the Lion bar, you're going to have to look more on the second-hand market, because they are very, very hard to find from bullion dealers. I mean, I've looked all over the place at Bullion by Post, Bullion House, Tavex Bullion, and I couldn't find any of these Una and the Lion silver bars. However, when I went to eBay, of course, there's plenty on eBay, but I never ever buy precious metals from eBay. My personal opinion is that it's just not safe enough. Now, I know some of you do that, like 365 Days of Silver. He often has bought from eBay, and he recommends, if you're buying, look for their reviews and how many sales they've made, and that would give you a good indication if it's a safe company to buy precious metals from. But me personally, I'm a little bit more cautious, and I like to stick with buying straight direct from bullion dealers from brand new, and that just eliminates any doubt for me. But I do find it strange that they're no longer producing silver bars. I think it's a mistake, because how many of you guys like stacking silver bars? I know you can get those stacker bars that sit direct on top of each other. Now, as far as I'm aware, the Royal Mint don't actually sell any particular actual stacking bars where they like lock on. Normally they come in like really cheap quality sleeves, even the big silver bars, and that always surprised me actually, because I always noticed that when you buy a 1 ounce silver Britannia like so, it comes in this capsule, and this is a Royal Mint capsule, and it's without a doubt the best quality capsule I've ever had, and that's from the Royal Mint. However, when I bought these silver bars, and I've bought a couple, that they came in like sleeve wallets, and they were just so cheap, and in my opinion the bars almost seem more substantial than the coins, so I would expect it to be the other way round. But yeah, the Royal Mint would just send them out in some really cheap quality, almost like rubberized sealed film pocket bag, and it just didn't cut it for me, so I bought these capsules, and in my opinion they look so good. Now normally I would suggest not taking your precious metals out of the packaging. If it was a blister card like this, definitely don't remove it, because it's got all of its authentication on it, it's got all of the logos of PAMP, and it just helps to the sale value. But when it comes in a non-marked, almost like cellophane rubberized packet, literally had no marking from the Royal Mint on it. I thought, what have I got to lose by putting it in a much better quality capsule? I know if it was me, I'd be buying capsule bars and capsules all day. So yeah, I hope the Royal Mint do restock selling silver bars in the future, because I don't think I'm quite done with buying silver bars, although I'm focusing more on Britannia coins when it comes to silver and gold because of the capital gains tax benefits. I still have this loyalty to bars because my first purchases were a 1 gram bar like this. In fact, it probably was this exact bar, and the silver bars were also my first silver purchases before I bought Britannia coins. So it'd be interesting to see where the Royal Mint go with this. Maybe they might get a few emails from people asking why they don't have them in stock anymore, and maybe they decide to restock them. But as it stands, the Royal Mint is no longer selling silver bars, at least in this 1 ounce form. So very interesting. I wonder what your thoughts are on this, because I know a lot of you are more so silver stackers than gold stackers, so this may affect you slightly more than it does me, because my focus right now is more so gold. But nonetheless, very interesting topic I thought I would cover today. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and until next time, I'll see you in the very next episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. To watch another episode on future investments, click the link now.